Hey everyone, and I'm just packing up after an intense 25 hours. We have just finished, if you can see, this is my little setup here for online training, and I've just completed the third of 2-hour live online trainings for a number of different businesses. So what's it been? There was 30... 19, 15. So over 65 businesses have been exposed to the power of social media, Facebook, messenger bots, and other business strategies to grow their business on automation and strategizing how they actually work their business. And I've been a little bit overwhelmed by some of the responses I've got. It's been really generous of people sharing some of their knowledge that they have received in that time. Also, in the last 4 hours, we've also launched the next round of workshops in the southwest of WA. So if you haven't seen me in person, we are rolling out some new workshops around Bunbury, Busselton, Margaret River and Albany. And they are through September and early October, so go to the events page on the Customer Service Movement. So I just wanted to jump on and say thank you to everyone who allows me to work with them in their business. It is a pleasure and a privilege that so many people allow me to look at their Facebook page, allow me to share what I love to do. So thanks so much. It has been a big 25 hours. But this is what I love doing. I love presenting and sharing what I know. So if you are interested in any form of training with me, just go to the events tab on the Customer Service Movement. You'll start seeing all of the in-person workshops that are coming to Southwest towns. And if you want to drop me a message, feel free, m.me/Josh Oakey CSM, and we can have a chat and see if I'm a good fit for you and whether I can help your business. But just want to say thank you so much to everyone who's jumped on the online training over the last 25 hours. It's been great to get to know some new businesses and reconnect with some businesses I've been working with for the last sort of 10, 11 weeks. So we're really seeing their business grow. So I'm out. It's time for me to go home and see the family. And thank you so much, everyone, for being part of my journey. Cheers. Talk soon. Hey, Lauren. Hey, Lauren. Oh, we got 2 Laurens. Thanks so much, everyone, and talk soon. Bye.